I've been traveling for 8 years over 100 countries, and I don't think I've ever had the sensation I have while I'm here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The kind of feeling like you never want to leave, like you can't relate Rio de Janeiro to any other place. It's so unique. It's just Rio. It's so special, and the food is one of the most amazing aspects of gorgeous Brazil. It's so unique and so delicious, and there's so much to offer. I'm going to show you guys around one of the most beautiful markets here in Rio de Janeiro called Feira de Gloria. It's a Sunday market. It's only open on Sundays. They close the streets down, and they offer anything you can think of, from coconuts to fried pastries to clothes to jewelry. It's amazing. So I'm going to show you guys around today. You guys, I just got finished getting ready. The hair is herring. Look at that. Look at the shine. I did my oil. This is the hairstyle I've been doing all summer, you guys. What is it? I just do my oil. I soak my hair in the vanilla growth oil. By the way, did you know about our vanilla growth oil? This is from my hair brand called Angel Hair. This is our vanilla growth oil, you guys. It's amazing. It smells like vanilla bean, you guys. Oh my gosh, because it has real vanilla bean in it. Baobab oil, botana oil, orange peel, clove, jojoba. We got sweet almond oil, rosemary oil. It's amazing. It smells like vanilla because there's vanilla bean, but it's subtle enough not to be too crazy. This is what I've been doing all summer, you guys. I'll just slap this oil in my hair, slick everything down, throw it in a ponytail, throw it in my ponytail, and head out the door. I also slick my edges down, so. By the way, this is available. Our vanilla growth oil is available on my website, on our website, angelhairbymaryjane.com. You can use code BRAZIL, BRAZIL, for 15% off your order in celebration of Brazil. So yeah, I just am finishing up my hair. The shine, the shine. You guys, we're heading to the Feira de Gloria food market. Yeah, and if you'd like our vanilla growth oil, use code BRAZIL for 15% off. It's so good, it's so good. It's also like a heat protectant from the sun because there is botana oil, which is a heat protectant from UV rays, and olive oil, so it's just amazing. I have become obsessed with these motor taxis that you can take around Rio. They're just so convenient, especially if you're a solo traveler like me. They're so cheap. The ride always ends up being something like $1 or $1.50. You get there way faster than the cars because the motorbikes weave in and out of the cars. It's really fun, and if you have an adventurous spirit, I definitely think you'd love taking the motorbikes around Rio. I feel like it immerses you in the city a little bit more. You get to have a first-hand look and see Rio from a different perspective. They're really fun.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
This is Feira de Gloria Sunday market. It's only open on Sundays. They close the street down, and the market takes up several blocks a little bit far east in Rio de Janeiro, like 20 minutes away from the beach, and it's amazing. Go on a completely empty stomach because there is so much to try here, and you don't want to get full. So the thing I was really excited to try was, this is a very popular street food in Brazil. It's basically a tapioca quesadilla, you can call it. They use tapioca flour, they fry it, and then they add whatever you want on top. You can do just cheese, you can do meat and cheese, you can go sweet, you can put Nutella and bananas, you can do a breakfast one, you can add bacon and eggs, whatever you want, and it's just delicious. I opted for a savory one. I got steak, so I got beef rib with cheese in mine, so I went savory. Every single one is about $1.50, so it costs 16 Brazilian real, which is about $1.50, a little bit, maybe like $2. And so it came out piping hot, so I walked around a little bit just to wait for it to cool down. and I was just kind of looking around. I really wanted to get some coconut water because it was so hot today and they were selling so many different juices, and I have become obsessed with coconut water. So I grabbed a coconut water while I waited for my tapioca quesadilla, which is what I'm calling it, so that I could hydrate and kind of cool down a little bit before I ate my food. The coconut water here is just so tasty. I've tried coconut water from all over the world, and for me, the Brazilian coconut water is just so good. It's so hydrating, so yummy, not very sweet. Then I bit into my tapioca quesadilla, basically. It was so good, really chewy from the tapioca flour, and it kind of just takes on the flavor of whatever you put inside, because the tapioca flour is kind of like a canvas for whatever you put inside. It's just really chewy, so it was so tasty. I then tried soursop juice, freshly made. It's like a soursop smoothie, so good. Soursop, by the way, is so healthy for you, and it grows here in Brazil, so it was just fresh and delicious, so hydrating. Like I said, today was burning hot, so the soursop juice was so refreshing. Also, the soursop juice was $16, so that was like $1.50 to $2. If you just keep walking around, you will see so much food. It's a little bit overwhelming because you're like, what do I try? What do I try? You want to try everything. There's so much sugarcane juice, so many different types of juices here in Brazil that are just so delicious and completely natural. That's why I kept getting coconut water. Because everything here is kind of healthy. I mean, not everything, but most things here is grown naturally, but obviously not the pastels. This is also one of the most popular things people eat here is the pastels. It's basically like an empanada. Fried dough, you choose whatever you want inside. I chose the beef. So ridiculously delicious and so cheap. Each one was 10 real, so that's about $1. That's like about $1. Just delicious. They also give you sugarcane juice because you're supposed to drink the sugarcane juice with the pastel. But sugarcane juice, I've had it before. It's a little too sweet for me, so I went back and got me another coconut water. I think I had 4 of them today because they're just so tasty for me, and they're just my favorite thing. So that was 10 real, which is $1. Delicious, you guys. It's just the most perfect thing to walk through the streets of Brazil, snacking on your street food and your coconut water. And I got so full, you guys, I had to go back. My stomach was busting out of the seams. Maybe I'll go back next Sunday and show you guys 5 or 6 different things that I didn't try this Sunday. But I was so full and so hot, baby, I had to go back. So stay tuned. Maybe next Sunday I'll go back and show you some more of the market. Let me know down below, have you been? Are you planning a trip to Brazil? I need to know. It's beautiful here.